Need a Halloween costume? I've got 15 cool ideas you can throw together last minute. In this video, I'm only gonna use items that I already own, very budget friendly. My costumes are gonna go from easy to more advanced so you can decide how much effort you want to put into it. So let's start with the simple ones. You're gonna need a white shirt and a skirt. I picked this green one for Slytherin. To make it more fitted, you can use a pin to pin it up in the back. Definitely recommend doing this before putting your shirt on, by the way. And there you go. Add some thigh-high socks, add your house tie, and if you wanna Snape up this look, you can add a robe, or in my case, a cape. And add some accessories to finish the look. And there you go, ready to cast Revelio all night long. To go from Hogwarts student to Britney Spears, you simply add a grey cardigan, switch to a black skirt, tie the shirt in the front, braid 2 pigtail braids, and use pink hair ties or scrunchies. And if you want to add bangs without actually committing to the real deal, you can use fake bangs. And there you have it, it's Britney, bitch. For Lara Croft, you're gonna need a black top and shorts, pull your hair up in a ponytail, and add her iconic leg holsters. There's a great tutorial by Allison that you can follow to make your own leg holsters along with her guns. I'm gonna use a gun that I made for a Joker cosplay back in the days. Add some combat boots, and boom, you're Lara Croft. Wednesday is such a perfect costume if you feel like you have nothing to wear at home. You just need a shirt with a white collar and add a black dress. Braid your hair, and to make the braids look fuller, you can pull them out like this. Now, depending on which Wednesday look you're going for, you can add bangs. I'm going for the Jenna Ortega version this time. She wears a coat occasionally, so if you want to add something more, you can totally add a black coat as well. Now you're ready to stare into people's souls all night. Start off with a black top, add some black leather pants and a jacket, fake of course. To copy Trinity's short hair, I'm putting it up in a low bun, add the iconic Matrix sunglasses, add some combat boots, and just like that, you're ready to enter the Matrix. Enjoy the action shots. You can totally stop here if you want to go as just Barbie, but not here. We're gonna make her a little psycho. So for the killer Barbie look, I'm adding a knife wound on my cheek. Add a little red, a little bit of black, and some red again. I'm gonna make my Barbie blonde, so I'm adding this wig as well. Add a weapon prop of your choice, and then you're done. To replicate Helena Bonham Carter's feature, I'm making my eyebrows bigger. For the eyes, we really want to achieve that sleepless look, so add shadows in the inner corners and under your eyes. I'm using gray, red, and a tiny bit of purple eyeshadow. For the contour, I'm making my nose pointier and really trying to enhance my cheekbones like Helena's. Add some lipstick, and here I'm adding shadows to the inner corners to try to match hers. I'm also adding white face paint as a highlighter. Lastly, I'm gonna add some mascara. For the hair, you can either curl your own or use a wig. I'm sparing myself those styling hours and using a wig this time. And that's how you do the bellatrix makeup look. Use a black corset looking top and add a skirt along with the corset belt. Add a necklace. And I don't have her wand, but I have Narcissus. So if you have neither, you can literally just take a stick and paint it black. And that works too. And there you have her. start off with white paint for the base and add grain red eyeshadow all over your eyelids. Finish with some mascara and red lipstick. Add a blonde/white wig and put it up in a half updo. This is how my look turned out. For the outfit, I'm adding a white skirt to add layers to the dress. I'm also adding a white choker, and what really gives this look more of a royal vibe is adding a corset. I'm wearing black tights because I don't own a white pair, but if you do, I would totally go for the white pair. And there you have her, the White Queen. This costume I'm so proud of, because we're dressing up as an office siren. I'm going for this makeup look. To create scales, you can use fishnet tights and scare kids. I couldn't find my big makeup brush, so I'm just dabbing some blue and silver eyeshadow on my face. Now this could definitely have been done much neater, but the show must go on, so continue adding more glittery eyeshadow. I also wanted to add some gills. Copy this girl's gills, because I'm rushing these far too much now. And add a mustache. Here's how it turned out. And as an office siren, you're gonna need these glasses. I don't have a pair, so I quickly made a pair out of cardboard, tape, and some paint. I'm putting my hair up in a bun for the office look, and then you're done. You're gonna need some yellow fabric/clothes and weather the out of them. You can literally drag your clothes through mud. I'm also adding some fresh wounds because this Belle just had a fight with the beast, and Belle slays, if you know what I'm saying. So you want to draw some red lines first, smudge them out a little to make your skin look irritated. Go back in with black lines and finish it off with some dark red. For my hair, I'm doing a half updo, and this is how it turned out. Put on some combat boots, and I'm gonna use this holster that I actually borrowed from my sister's ex-boyfriend. So if you're watching, let me know if you want it back. I'm adding chip to the belt, and last but not least, a rose. And just like that, you're Baddie Belle. And I got my cute beast with me. For the pirate look, you want to make a smoky eye mess on your eyelids. Add some marks and scars and red lipstick to finish off the look. For my hair, I'm adding a bandana, but as my friend that has worked as a pirate actor once taught me, when putting together a pirate outfit, the more the better. So I'm adding another one, along with some accessories. For the outfit, we need layers. Add a corset and a vest, and lots of belts. I'm also taking a handbag and tying it up on my hip using a hair tie. And you can easily hide the access bands under the belt like this. Ruffle up your skirt, add more scarves, for example around your leg and on your belt, and finally add your boots. You can also use a fake gun or a bottle to complete the look further. And there you go, pirate!
Whoa!
I took inspiration from this makeup look for my doll. I'm adding a wig, but before you do that, you will want to dress yourself first, and then a blonde wig. I'm also adding some knee-high socks and a white skirt under my dress. And now you're ready for a play date. This costume is for all my introverted friends out there. A mime. I'm simply adding clown triangles to my previous doll makeup and a little dot on my cheek, and that's basically it. Use a red scarf to tie around your neck and add a beret. Use a striped shirt and add a black skirt. I'm using my cut-off sleeves again for the leg accessories and finish the look with white gloves. For this vampire look, I'm putting red and black eyeshadows under my eyes. Here I'm really trying to enhance that hollow cheek look. Add some red lipstick, and more importantly, you'll want to add some fake blood running down your mouth. I'm just using red and black face paint for this. I'm creating texture to my lips to make it look like I've actually had a blood feast. Now, I would add vampire fangs if I had any, but I will just settle with my own teeth for this time. I'm using a dark wig and adding this choker necklace to complete the look. For the outfit, I'm layering this lace top over my dress and lastly adding my corset belt. Add some shoes, and that's it. There are so many cool clown makeup looks that you can go for. I decided to do mine like this. A trick I like to use is to add more white highlights to really make the look pop. A little goes a long way here. I cut off the sleeves on a striped shirt I had to add as leg accessories. I also took the fluffiest skirt I could find, that is actually a dress that I folded up to make it even more puffy. I'm adding a corset and some black balls. And some balls that I rolled up using yarn. Stick them on with double-sided tape. I found this tutu that I'm gonna use as a clown color. For my hair, I'm putting it up in pigtails and finishing the look with white gloves. And now you're ready to scare some kids or ask if they want to build a snowman with Olaf. That's all the costumes for this year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to comment which one of these costumes was your favorite. And also comment what you're gonna dress up as on Halloween. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you're new here. I'll see you guys very soon in the next video. But until then, have a happy Halloween. Bye!